ABAKPA, and I want to show you what the town looks like. So please, if you've not subscribed to the channel, give this video, upload a lovely video like this, you get to see it. So I'll be handing over to our tour guide who will tell us everything we have to know.
Alright, we are around the ABAKPA junction, close to 82 division now. Going into ABAKPA through the small bridge. God, oh, the bridge is even clear. This is Tinker's Corner Junction. The bridge is clear. The market is also clear as well. The road looks clear today. Alright, this is ABAKPA Bridge. Is clear today. Let's hope the market will also be clear like this. And trade ferry today, so hold up has started. What do you think? Should we cut it through the streets? Oh. Hello? Okay. Thank you.
Can you see them?
Yes, they are still on. So we're already trapped inside the hold up.
Where is it started?
It's down there. I think last we might have to use this street. I don't know how they.
There are people controlling it.
Okay, so we should go straight now.
I don't know, you know the road better.
Let's try. Because after here is the market. Once you pass the market, it's free already. So because of this people playing misty. Special tax force. Approaching the market now. It's called ABAKPA market. The market is before Liberty now. At this junction.
We'll have to follow streets.
No, let's cut it from here. Because I no longer trust what I am seeing up there. It's just that my KJR that is terrible. We just manage it to go. So we have to use the street because the major road is blocked. Welcome to ABAKPA. Find our way towards College Road. Taking this junction is not very clear. Papa, come on, pass first now, so that I can use the good spots. Down there. Speed issue, I don't know why it says. So this is College Road. So everybody is using streets, which means the major road is blocked. That's why everybody is using the streets. Let's continue using the streets. Let's come out at Mike Ejara. Junction. I said it's if you lock, Wahala.
You get to be patient.
It's not actually for two cars.
But this Camry, can you pass it?
Yes,
Wait to be the other one. The Camry.
Yes, it will. And somebody will still park for road. The road is supposed to be one lane. One place I can never stay in Enugu. This place, but funny enough, it's very safe. It's very safe to stay. At least I stayed here for some months. Yeah, this is the street now, Makejara. It's bad. That's why I was trying to avoid it to leave at Sibo. The whole road is blocked.
see these farmers.
And since I know this market here, it has been like this.
Medieval farms.
They've not still the same person, it's the same man. So they collect Sunday number. My Kejara, the road has always been like this. This place, stayed here. I will have to stay in town till 9 o'clock before I come back. Oliver carried me to this place.
And you carry lorries.
Well, I run leave Lawrence. I run leave Lawrence.
Was not this street?
No, still in the front too. Oliver not see us. I need come in Enugu. Oliver not see us. Give me. Come carry me. Come stay here. After 4 months, I tell myself, say no.
It wasn't 4 months.
I stayed for 6 months. I said no, I can't survive this. I had to run. I'll have to wait outside till 9:10 before I'll drive back home because of traffic. Stay in Tinker's corner. I said no. But it's actually very safe. It's safe. Because how can somebody even come and stay here and want to run in this kind of road?
Not even that. If everybody around is looking like a strong man on his own, someone wants to steal from him.
But then I rarely use this road anyway. I usually come from Transekulo as is from the other side. It's easier then. I don't know about now. At least I won't drive most of this bad road. It's only when I'm going to the market. I used to watch ball there.
See, it's true.
Yeah, this streets.
I know they're filling gas into it.
This children's hospital that is here.
This used to be your home.
Why I run? So no, I can't do this anymore. I don't just know why the government doesn't want to do this road at all. I don't just know why. Even the local government chairman said he's not even interested in doing the road.
To be that makes sense.
It's how the road has been.
Since that time?
Since that time now. Is that junction that is scaring me?
Yes.
Yes, I don't know. I might just put the watch so the watch board there too that time. I don't know how good it is now for this my car. You know that thing another car will carry past here. Okay, they filled it. They filled it up. Thank God. It used to be very hard. In the ABAKPA. Okay. We have to use the alternative routes. The construction of their flyover is still on.
They are not true, sis.
Are you sure they will finish that project even next year?
It's up to 3 months now.
It's 3 months. And this their speed breaker is very big, eh? Whether this guy is slow like this. They had to do this road because of the ongoing construction at the major road. But the road was bad initially, so when they blocked the other one, this was still bad. To Ashano, this was the old Enugu Suka road before the other one.
So you just go straight?
Yes, but there's a point you join the other road in front, and this also linked a road coming from Adoration. You can link Adoration, you can link what was it called? Enugu, Abakaliki. From here as well. All of this place was very bad before. Very bad. They have a masquerade ground. If you go through here, they have one masquerade ground down here.
Yeah, masquerade.
They dance, they do their some of their culture, they know. They call it masquerade ground. Different masquerade, they do really dance. This year, I just want to pass me by fire by force. You don't know, see me and this guy will carry the salad on one hand. least the construction helped this road now.
Is this the main road or this is the road that was repaired?
This one was just repaired temporarily because of the major road.
Okay.
It was bad before. At least the residents of this area now, they will be happy now. That their road is not good. No more dust. Center. Homeboy, my guy. That is you can say I see this thing like this. I did I feel trip to them. The center. To be someone controlling it at the front. That's why everybody is passing now. That's why I'm blocking it. You said?
Let me see. How about the road? It's 193 years. Behind the scene of the invitation.
Okay.
Who's from there?
Said it, I said it cannot just be normal stop. Police they here. So this one now to your
Right.
To your right is this thing you are going to. We lead you to Abakaliki Express.
Position, not always well.
Thank God they have passed. No, they are always there to control. If not, 2 seconds, they'll jam. Yes. Almost there. Yeah, that. No, we're trying to come out at the major road. Enugu Expressway. So we need to Benue. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much for joining today's live. I'm seeing every one of you guys. I'm seeing your comments. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in our next video. If you've not, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.